All right, so we finished this fix and list deal in Denver, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like now that we're all done. The front porch was kind of falling apart, but now we have a new one poured in place. We put in a new front door. We've staged the unit to make it warm and inviting. Completely new feel to this place, even though all we did was paint and flooring. Oh, and refinish the tubs, which is kind of a paint thing also. But new carpet in the bedrooms, new laminate floor here. See, we even stuck with the old gold light fixture in the bedrooms because the comps just showed that we didn't need to take this all the way to get top dollar. So yeah, literally all we did in here was refinish the tub and tile, painted the walls, and called it a day. So here is the kitchen. We painted the old cabinets. That's the existing countertop and backsplash. New laminate floor here. Here there didn't used to be carpet, but now we have carpet. So it was kind of like a semi-finished feeling space when we started, but now it looks finished. This was that old brown wood paneling that they used a lot of in the 80s, and it had rubber base. So all we had to do is paint it gray, stick real wood base on it, and now we have a really finished feel basement. We even left the old ceiling tiles and just painted them white. So here's new carpet everywhere down here. We got, looks like a Radon machine going with the new buyers. This one is under contract. Here we refinished the tub. We didn't do anything else in here. The rest of it was existing. So the house is under contract and it's at $480. We went into this setting the expectation that we could get the sellers for $470, so it is $10,000 better than what we were kind of counting on, which is nice. Here all we did was painted this. It's kind of ugly looking, but we painted it, that's it. Painted the yellow kind of awning, painted the back door, repainted the soffits, and that's all this house in this neighborhood needed to make the most return for the sellers. So we could have spent a bunch of money making everything perfect, but just weren't going to get paid back for doing that. Looking at the numbers, we were seeing that we would actually make the sellers, they would actually end up about $30,000 worse off if we ripped out those cabinets and countertops and put brand new ones in and redid the bathrooms. Like, it just didn't make sense to get top dollar. Getting near top dollar for doing half of the amount of work was the way to go. So hopefully you learned when you're looking at the comparable properties in your area, if you can tell that they're still getting close to the top of the market without redoing everything. If things look a little older and run down without, but still get close to the same sales price as the high-end properties, then maybe this kind of fix and list makes sense for that neighborhood. So, thanks for watching.